Welcome to the Hour of Code event put on by the West Michigan Tech Talent. Throughout this time, we're going to be doing some coding and doing some programming. But what is coding? What does that mean? Well, we do have some tech professionals along with us today that will be sharing what coding is and what does it mean for them. And they're also going to talk about what can we do with coding as a career? Is that something that is viable? And so hang in with us. Before you log on, let's listen to some tech professionals, and then we're going to jump in right into the coding.
Have you ever wanted to make something new? Have you ever had an idea about a new game you want to make, a new toy, a new project of some kind that you'd like to have? With coding, you can make that. If you can imagine it, you can build it.
Have you ever heard of Morse code? So Morse code is used to send secrets between two parties and only the two of them can understand it. Coding is somewhat similar to that. It's basically just writing out instructions that machines can understand, and we use software to do that.
Coding is the super exciting skill that tells computers what to do. And not just computers, gaming systems, phones, all of those things get told by coders through coding how to do what they do.
Coding to me is an opportunity to solve really complex problems in a way that's creative and sort of fun.
Coding is the future. When I think about where our world is headed, more technology, more systems helping us do more things faster and better and easier, it's coding that makes that possible.
It's the creativity that I love about it and the ability to imagine anything you want and be able to build it using your code.
Oh, there are lots of ways to learn how to code, but in the classroom you get a peer group, you get your friends who are also learning with you, and there's something really exciting about that. To get to see what your friends do and get to show them what you did, it makes them better and you better, and it makes the code better. Just between you and me, coding offers you the opportunity to change the world. The future is paved with lines of code, and coding gives you the opportunity to do anything you want to do, to make anything you dream possible.
Coding taken as a whole really has infinite opportunities.
You can build the new version of the electric car like Elon Musk and Tesla are doing, or you could help build the next space shuttle that would take us to Mars or to the moon.
Ignition and liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery, returning to the space station, paving the way for future missions.
Starting out when you're really young is great for coding. It helps you build the building blocks that you'll need to create incredible tools. I know a lot of people want to go into video games. It's what I sort of wanted to do when I was really little too. So you can create and you can play with your friends.
So when you start coding, it might be very easy for you, or it might be difficult for you. When I started, it was difficult for me. So my advice to those of you who find it difficult is to stick with it. Just finish the class and see what comes out of it. And for those who find it easy, use that opportunity to take on more challenging problems, but stick with it and challenge yourself and you won't regret it.
If you have never written a line of code before, write a line of code. Write 3 lines of code and see what they do. It's amazing. If you write code, whatever language you write code in, keep writing. The more you write, the more you learn, the better things you can do, the more complex problems you can solve, the cooler stuff you can build. The sooner you start writing code, the better a coder you become. Write code right now. Why are you listening to this video? Go write code.
We hope this has inspired you and gets you excited about programming and coding. And we're excited to share this experience with you. And so with that, let's get on to the programming and coding. And we hope that you enjoy the coding, but mostly we hope that you have a lot of fun. Let's get to it.